Hello, designers, makers, and friends. Today I want to talk to you about how I use design briefs. What is a design brief? Design brief is a living document used by a team to summarize a design project, facilitate shared understanding, capture questions and next steps, and ultimately communicate a project or a product's vision and goals. My design brief is inspired by the British Design Council's Double Diamond, which emphasizes divergent and convergent thinking. What does that really mean? So if you go to Google, just Google Double Diamond design images, you'll see a bunch of frameworks like this. In a nutshell, the Double Diamond suggests that we need to spend a period of time finding out what problems there are to solve, and then selecting the right problem to solve, brainstorming potential solutions, and then picking the best solution. So the 5 main sections inside my design brief are structured for this very purpose. So the first section is, who are we working with? What is the problem? Who are we solving for? What is the solution? And then how will we get there? You can really use these sections any way you'd like, and I'll share this Google Doc template in the video description. But the point is, this document should evolve, grow, and adapt to best suit your team's project management and communication needs. Right? So, I have this table here underneath client contacts, and sometimes I bring in their LinkedIn URL, or maybe I'll bring in a photo. For underneath here, under background and context, I have a few prompts to help you brainstorm specifically. What is the company that you're working with, and what is their industry like? How do they make money? What business problem are they running into? Success metrics, specifically, how will we know if this project is a success? Hypotheses. So a hypothesis is best written like, if we do X, we can help Y person or Y user and expect Z benefit or outcome. And then a vision statement. Vision statement is really like a project charter. So think of it as like an overarching anchoring direction for a product or a project. And usually you can get this from your chief stakeholder. And then user types. Who are we solving for? Under user types, you might want to talk about all the different attributes that might distinguish one user group from another user group, as well as their frustrations, their current pain points, and also what's currently maybe working for them. And then finally, definition, what is the solution? Usually underneath this section, I'd include a list of user stories and or a link to a spreadsheet or an Airtable instance where you can have a more robust catalog of user stories. And then finally, project management. This is usually optional as well. Unless you have project management software specifically, you might not need to put your project timeline here in the design brief or the project deliverables, etc. Again, the main benefit of using a design brief is to organize your thoughts, get aligned as a team, document expectations, and call out assumptions, right? And really organize all of the main questions that you might have as you embark on a new project. So anyway, hopefully that was helpful to you. Hit me up in the comments and let me know what you think. Thanks.